Amazfit GTS 2E Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTS 2E Smartwatch is a remarkable timepiece that combines functionality and style. With a sleek lilac purple color and a 1.65-inch screen size, this smartwatch is an excellent choice for those seeking both fashion and technology. One of the standout features of the GTS 2E is its sleep monitoring capabilities. This feature allows users to track their sleep patterns and gain insights into their sleep quality. By analyzing data such as sleep duration, stages, and heart rate during sleep, users can make informed decisions to improve their sleep habits. Another notable feature is its water resistance, which ensures the watch can withstand water immersion up to 50 meters. This makes it suitable for a variety of activities, including swimming and showering. Users can conveniently wear the GTS 2E without worrying about damaging it in water-related scenarios. The heart rate monitor is yet another valuable feature that sets the GTS 2E apart.